Recently, Bangalore's Sankey tank was in the news regarding concerns over unscientific development and shrinkage of the lake. Sankey tank is an artificial lake developed in Bangalore by Colonel Richard Sankey in the year 1882. Residents have alleged that excessive concretization, sewage inflow, and drying up of its water has led to change in the natural hydrology of the lake. So, what exactly is happening to the health of our lakes? Why are they drying up so rapidly? Recently, the Ministry of Jal Shakti conducted the first water body census in India. It found that almost 4 lakh water bodies in India are not in use, out of which 93,000 are not in use because they have dried up. So, what are the causes of drying up of lakes in India? First, extreme groundwater extraction, urban encroachment and land reclamation, sewage inflow and consequent eutrophication, and neglect of the traditional tank system are some of the major causes of disappearance of our lakes. Government of India is taking a number of steps and initiatives to ensure that these lakes are not drying up further. The most important of these is the National Conservation Plan for Aquatic Ecosystems, which aims to restore the health of lakes and wetlands across India. There is also the Mission Amrit Sarovar, which aims to rejuvenate 75 water bodies across India, which are at least 1 acre in size. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana also has a component of providing financial assistance for restore, renovation and repair of local water bodies. Another important mission is Jal Shakti Abhiyan, which aims to geotag water bodies across India and ensure there is desiltation of tanks. And finally, there is the Atal Bhujal Yojana, which although deals with groundwater, but groundwater has a very important role to play in the replenishment of lakes through base flow contribution. Let's not forget, lakes occupy only 4% of the land area, but contribute to 90% of the surface liquid availability of fresh water. A civilization which does not protect its lakes can only dry out from within with time.